My name is Jeremy Sable, and I'm the president of Stenberg College. Both of my parents were teachers. I still learn from my father, all the time. My mother has passed away, but they gave me a healthy respect for education from a very young age, and I saw what it meant to them, so I think it rubbed off on me. It's really the transformative power of education that I appreciate most of all, and that I'm most passionate about. When people use education in order to change not just their lives, but the lives of all the people that they're responsible for, that never gets tired, that never gets old. We built the postgraduate diploma in Canadian nursing because we saw a real need for assistance to be brought to internationally educated nurses from around the world who want to come to British Columbia, become licensed, and obtain work as a registered nurse here. We're passionate about helping new Canadians and people who want to be Canadians get educated and enter into healthcare and human services fields. That's what we do. And the postgraduate diploma in Canadian nursing just provided another opportunity for us to do that with a slightly different group of people who are already registered nurses in their home country and want to come to Canada to make a new life. We know intimately what it is and what it means to people to start a new life in Canada, to start a new career in many cases, but also to bring their own experience and their own education here to get a job that is going to provide for their families. We saw an opportunity to help, but we also saw it as an extension of the other programs we provide. We've taught in healthcare for about 30 years, and we're very well known for healthcare education, for nursing education. And it is a well-known fact that Canada has a nursing shortage. We are going to need many, many more nurses in the decade to come and beyond. We felt that we needed to help with that situation and help to bring more registered nurses here so that they could pursue their dreams here. The process of becoming licensed in British Columbia and in much of the rest of Canada as well can be quite complicated, and for many people it can be a daunting prospect. It can be scary because there is so much to know and so much to it. Not just licensure as a registered nurse, but then also the immigration process after that. So we decided to build a program that was going to support the entire process and support every individual the entire way through each step in becoming a registered nurse or a licensed practical nurse, if that's their preference, and beyond that into employment, and beyond that into pursuing a permanent residency if that's what they want to do. There are English standard tests associated with licensure, but also when they go towards permanent residency, they're going to need a very high standard of English also. So we, right from day one, we are supporting their English language skill development, no matter where they come from in the world. They will have to go through testing for that, and so we support that. We do that not just through testing and support for testing, but by offering a co-op work experience where they're going to have the opportunity to work in a healthcare environment as a registered healthcare professional for hundreds of hours. They're going to get to not just practice their nursing skills, they're going to learn about nursing culture and Canadian culture, and through that experience, they're going to have a great opportunity to practice their English language skills as well. We're so lucky to have just incredible instructors, and they themselves are internationally educated nurses and have made the move to Canada, gone through the licensure process, succeeded, become registered nurses, and then moved on and progressed in their careers within nursing as well. They're teaching in the program because they are passionate about education and about passing on what they know and the experiences that they've had to others so that other internationally educated nurses can enjoy the same benefits that they have. I've been to India, all over India, and covered quite a bit of the Philippines as well. And I know that there are a great many people there who are well-trained, are extremely proud of their profession, extremely proud of what they do, but they don't necessarily have the same opportunities to practice and the same opportunity to earn a really strong salary to support their families in their home country. I know that for many of them, they look at opportunities overseas. It was a great pleasure and an honor to speak to those people with real ambition and the desire to do better for themselves and for their families, and to talk to them about the opportunity that's here in Canada for them. These countries around the world that train nurses have their own proud and long history of education, nursing education. That only adds to our classroom environment. The knowledge and the experience that so many of these nurses bring from around the world to our classroom and to their practice here in Canada is a benefit to all Canadians. We need more nurses in Canada, and it's a tremendous career. It's a highly respected, very well-paid career in Canada. It works for Canada, and it works for people who want to come here to continue their practice as a registered nurse. I never have to worry about the integrity of what it is that we do at Stenberg and what I get up and do every day. You know, very, very fortunate to work in a place that has many different programs, but every single program is aimed at a career where people are going out and doing good in the world. Every one of our grads has the opportunity to make a positive impact on the world and on people's lives in our communities, and that's a huge privilege. I never really think in terms of it being a personal accomplishment. It's not. My job is to create an environment where our team then creates an environment for students to learn, acquire new skills, and then go forward into a profession that has a positive impact on the world and on our communities. We're just exceptionally proud of our graduates, and every single day I'm proud of our staff and our faculty here at Stenberg College. They're just a tremendous group of people. The real goal is to see as many internationally educated nurses succeed in their goal of becoming a registered nurse here in Canada, to help them make that transformation in their lives, and that's it. It's that simple.